Hello student. Today we will start a new topic, that is Roman numbers. Roman numerals. We usually use the numerals 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9 to write the numbers. These numerals are often called the Hindu-Arabic numerals. It means that when we use the numbers like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9 for writing the numbers, these numerals are called the Hindu-Arabic numerals. Numbers are written using a place value system in which the place value of a digit gets multiplied by 10 as we move from right to left. It means that when we move forward, means right to left, the place value of the digit gets multiplied by 10. Let's take an example. For example, here is a number 295. We read as a 295. The place value of the digit are 5 is at 1's place, 9 is at 10's place and 2 is at 100 place. So the place value of first digit at 1's place, 5 into 1 is equal to 5 and 9 into 10 is equal to 90 and 2 into 100 is equal to 200. The place value of 5 at 1's place is 5. The place value of 9 at 10's place is 90. The place value of 2 at 100 place is 200. But in the Roman, we used a different system. Their system did not have any place value. In Roman number system, there is no place value. Their system did not have any place value. They had different rules for writing the numbers, which have different rules. Roman numerals have using 7 letters, means for the writing the Roman numbers we use the 7 letters of the English alphabet, and they had no numerals for the 0, and for the 0 there is no numerals in a Roman numbers. Let's take a look. Roman numerals is written here and here is the value written. Now I, for the alphabet I, the value is 1, B 5, X 10, L 50, C 100 and D 500 and M is 1000. These are the values of these letters. Means again I am explaining, for the alphabet I value is 1, for the alphabet B value is 5, for the alphabet X value is 10, for the alphabet L value is 50, for the alphabet C value is 100, for the alphabet D value is 500, for the alphabet M value is 1000. Writing numbers using the Roman numerals. The numeral like I, X, C and M. For the I value is 1, for the X value is 10, C 100 and M for word thousand are special. Only they can be placed together. Means I, X, C and M can be placed together. Means repeated in a row, and only they can be subtracted. Only I, X and C and M can be subtracted. This is the first rule. Next rule is I, X, C and M can be repeated in a row up to 3 times to form larger numbers. Means I, X, C and M can be repeated. How many times? 3 times for forming a larger numbers. Now third rule is the value of the repeated numerals get added. Now here is like repeated I means the value of I is first 1 and the second I is 1, and when it is added it becomes 2. For the 2 Roman number is I. Now I. First value for the I is 1, second value for the I is 1 and third value for the I is 1. When it is added it becomes 3. Now X for 10. Now first X for 10, second X for 10, third X for 10. It is repeated. How many times? 3 times. And when it is added, when it is repeated, it is added. 10 plus 10 plus 10 becomes what? 30. Now C means 100. So here is C 3 times and the value of C is 100. Now 100 is added 3 times and the value becomes 300. Means C means 300. M. The value of M is 1000 and M is repeated 3 times here, and so the value of M is repeated 3 times, means added 3 times and the value becomes 300. Now next rule, a smaller number numerals get added to the greater numerals on its left side. Now V for the V value is 5 and I for the 1. When it is written to the left side of the greater number, the value will be added. Means V for 5 and I for 1. 5 plus 1, it becomes what? 6. Now 6 is written in a Roman number V and I. Now V, I. Again the smaller number is written on the left side of the greater number. V 5, 1 and I 1. Now it is get added, it becomes 7, and the Roman number for the 7 is VII. Now VII. Value of V is 5 and I for 1, next I for 1, next I for 1. Now it is get added and becomes the value is 8. For the 8 Roman number is VII. Now again example is the XII. X value is 10 and I for 1 and again I for 1. Now it is added 10 plus 1 plus 1, it becomes 12. Now X plus X plus X plus I means X 10, next X 10, next X 10 and I for 1. It get added, it becomes 31. For the value L is written here and value of L is 50 and X value is 10. It get added, it becomes 60. So Roman number for 60 is LX. Now L X X X. L 50, X 10, X 10, X 10. Now it is added, becomes 80. Now the Roman number for 80 is L X X X. Smaller numerals get subtracted from the greater number on its right. If the number written on the right side of the greater number, it gets subtracted. You can subtract only once from a numeral, means only one times. You take example IV, and the value of IV is 4. How it is 4? Now I is written on the right side of the V, so it gets subtracted. So when we subtract 1 from 5, the value becomes 4. Now next example is IX, and I is written on the right side of the X, so it gets subtracted. So we subtract 1 from 10 and the value becomes 9. Again, next example is XL. X is written on the right side of the L, so it gets subtracted again. The value of L is 50 and the value of X is 10. Now 50 minus 10 is 40. XC. Again, the X is written on the right side of the C, so it gets subtracted. 100 minus 10 is 90. So look, the Roman number for the 4 is IV, Roman number for the 9 is IX, Roman number for the 40 is XL, and Roman number for the 90 is XC. Next rule. A smaller numeral between two greater numerals gets subtracted from the numerals on its right. Let's take an example. X, X, I, V. X is repeated, X, X, so it is added. The value of X is 10. The value of next X is 10. And here I is written on the right side of the V, so it gets subtracted. So 5 minus 1. Now 10 plus 10 is 20 and 5 minus 1 is 4. Now 20 plus 4 is 24. Next example is LIX. The value of L is 50 and here the I is written on the right side of the X, so it gets subtracted. Now 50 plus 10 minus 1. 50 plus 9 becomes 59. Now for the Roman numbers for the 24 is XXIV and the Roman number of 59 is LIX. Now I think you will able to understand very well for the writing the Roman numerals